Hello guys, my name is Johan Caleb. The story of the day is Dead Stars. Dead Stars has been written by Paz Marquez Benitez. During her career as a writer, Marquez Benitez wrote a short story critical of American imperialism. She is most known by the short story Dead Stars in 1925, in which the two main characters are displayed as allegories to American imperialism in order to portray the slow decay in Philippine heritage. The summary of the story Dead Stars: Alfredo Salazar falls in love with two women, Esperanza and Julia. He becomes engaged with Esperanza but meets Julia and is strongly attracted to her. He keeps his engagement to Esperanza a secret from Julia. When Julia learns of the engagement, she wishes Alfred well but leaves him. The conclusion of the story Dead Stars is Alfredo finally comes back to his senses and was consumed by guilt and chooses his commitment by Esperanza over his intense but brief affair with Julia. That's all guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!